Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. Gold is rejected and lost its upward move. Now it is high time to sell for a intraday intraday trading. Or now let me on 15 minutes time this has been rejected. Now let me put the 4-hour time frame and find the other uh, stop loss or take profits. Now let me clear this one, the previous. Now it will be clear it. Now what are the possible take profit options? Now this first TP is now reaching very close. If anyone who has entered this is the level the gold is being rejected from, and this is rejection is for retracement, not that it has become bearish. No, it will come downward and make a 4-hour support, and then will go for the higher high. Now let us see what. Let me make the chart a bit bigger. Now what are the options, take profit options? Let me, until this video would be uploaded, I think this target would have been achieved, but still this is the first target and second target. Let me put the horizontal lines. This is 18. This is also the take profit option. This is the take profit option. This is the take profit option. 1792 is the last take profit options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 take profit options, and stop loss exact above these wicks. Now let me put the horizontal line here. Above this, but it is better to put stop loss above this wick. So now let me put the short position. This is entry because this has gone now down. Now let me set the this is the stop loss, this is entry, and these all the lines that are here are take profits. It is, I don't think that it will go beyond downward from this. So this is the last TP. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see how many TPs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 TPs. So let us see what happens. The stop loss is already there. The market is bullish, but this is the retracement after coming down. I am looking this market as, after coming down, it will make at this level. This is my analysis. At this level, it will make a 4-hour support, then will shoot up again for a next higher high. I hope you like my videos. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye for now.